So I did figure out that I could put that wood on there, and then I would not hit the bumper with the lift. And you can kind of see what happened on this. It just got tore off when it bottomed out. And there's like a fabric for probably quietness. And it's kind of a plastic underneath of it. That's been rubbed pretty good. And that is how that corner should look. So I'm gonna put this back in, and I'm going to use 9 bigger spacers, and they actually fit. They actually fit in the hole really well. So I'm going to use that on all these. And there's 9 total. 4, 8, 9. So, and I'll tell you, if you think that you've gotten all the gravel out, trust me, every time you hit that with the sprayer again, you get another cupful of gravel out of it. It's not a car for gravel roads.